Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After modifying a report, you can have QuickBooks memorize it so you can quickly reproduce it again later without reapplying all the report's customizations. To memorize a modified report, click the Memorize button in the toolbar at the top of the Modified Reports window to open the Memorize Report dialog box. Type a name for the new report into the Name field. To save it into a memorized report group, check the checkbox for Save in Memorized Report Group, and then choose the desired group to save it into from the Adjacent drop-down menu. After naming your memorized report, click the OK button to save it. Note that when you memorize a report, you cannot name it the same thing as one of the preset reports because that would overwrite them. So you must change the name if modifying a report that was originally based on one of the preset reports.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.